hobby. We are cracking 2023 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball 2-box eBay break. May 19th, 2024. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Nissan 12801 with the Padres and Dodgers. We got Yando Man with the Nationals, Blue Jays, Rangers, and the Giants. T, Mac, NH with the Royals, Mets, Red Sox, Cardinals, Pirates, Yankees, the other / non-MLB spot. The Angels and the Mariners. JEDICODER 007 Jedi Coder. 007 with the Orioles. ROBCA 9219 with the Phillies and Athletics. SIRRAH 181 with the Braves. We got BRENDELM 12 with the Tigers. Jinwin 89 with the White Sox and the Cubs. KEKO 7587 with the Guardians. PATDE 9326 with the Reds. We got Andre Bay, hopefully I said that right, with the Diamondbacks. And we also got Dad and Sons with the Marlins and Astros as well. All right, guys, we've got our 2 boxes right here. 1, 2. 2023 Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball. All right, let's get our first box open. Plastic coming off box number 1. All right, guys, here we go. Box topper first. Box topper first. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box topper right out of the gate. Juan Soto. The Padres. Nice Juan Soto for the Padres box topper. Very nice. Box loader there for the Padres. All right, let's get our packs out of here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1, box number 1. Good luck, everybody. We will move through the base cards at a fairly steady pace. If there's anything you guys need me to go back on, please holler. Be glad to do so. Fujinami rookie. Mr. Hart there, Kevin Hart. We got an Assad rookie mini there, Javier Assad, and we got your Gerfalcon there as well. Of course, we'll stop on all the hits and everything too, of course. In action, got an in action there. Nice in action, Ricky Henderson, very nice. And there's your mini, Mandy Bell. It's now in Ginter, too. Mandy Bell. And we also have a Max Scherzer there. Nice in action. Those in actions are really nice. Mini is Mr. Ozzy Albies. And we got music to your ears, the piano. Piano. Jameson rookie. Very nice. Unassisted triple play. Rarest of the diamond. Nice mini there. Very nice. And Corey Seager there as well. All right, guys. Here we go. Hey, we got our first hit here. Ooh, we got a mini metal too. Some great minis here. How about that? Mr. Max Scherzer. Wow, that's a nice mini. That's a stained glass mini there too. That's really nice. And we got your kiteboarding fun in the sun there too. Oh, and your hit here, by the way, Mandy Bell relic hit there as well. That was really nice. Nice stained glass mini. That was a nice, real nice stained glass mini there. Max Scherzer for the Mets. Very, very nice. Rodriguez rookie. Black border mini coming up here too. Rookie black border. Lenyon Sosa there too. Nice Sosa black border there. Clayton Kershaw there as well. Another rookie mini there. Jordan Walker mini rookie. And you got the Hen Harrier there too. Will Levis. Harris rookie. Prado rookie. A mini. Nice Kodai Senga. Mini rookie. Allen and Ginter too. And Garrett Cole there. Senga rookie. There's your mini. Vidal Brujan mini. And we got Fun in the Sun Fishing. Fun in the Sun Fishing. Turang rookie. Bradley rookie. Mini is... Oh, you got the World of Wonder. Petra Jordan there, mini. And Bo Bichette there as well. Beatty rookie. There's a silver. Nito rookie. Silver, very nice. Your silver foil there. Very nice. Mini is Mr. Christian Walker mini. And Fun in the Sun, building a sand castle. Rooshman rookie. Nice Rooshman. Nice Adley there. Downs rookie. Brown rookie. Your mini. Shoelace. Denard Robinson, Mr. Shoelace. And music to your ears, the mandolin. Walker rookie. Got a Groshans rookie. Oh, no. Got another black border mini here, too. Black border mini. Nice Cody Bellinger there. Black border mini. Mariano Rivera there as well. Libertor rookie. Your mini. Ermsey, Allen and Ginter mini. And you got the Merlin there too. One relic so far. One relic so far here out of box number 1. There's a black border rookie. Nice Hunter Brown black border rookie mini. And we got your Don Drysdale there as well. Raza rookie. There's a relic. Very nice relic. Mini. Garrett Mitchell rookie. Allen Ginter there too. And Snowy Al. there as well. We've got our relic here, Mr. Dansby Swanson for the Cubbies. Relic. Very nice. Dansby Swanson relic for the Cubbies. Benson rookie. Our minis, Mr. Sammy Sosa mini. Nice Sammy Sosa mini there. And an Ichiro. Ichiro. Nito rookie. Our minis, Mr. Starling Marte mini there. And a Fun in the Sun bodyboarding. Fun in the Sun bodyboarding. By any other name, Alan K. Bahamas mini. And we got Randy Johnson, the big unit. Another Ermsey there. Got the Ermsey. Got the mini and the full size. And there's another relic. Mr. Knott there. Andre Knott relic. Our mini is a Miguel Vargas rookie and a Trevor Story. Nice Andre Knott relic there. Marino rookie, Sosa rookie. Got a Colas rookie. Our mini is International Delights. The Gallo Pinto. And music to your ears. The Bando Neon there. Mini. Clayton Kershaw mini. And Mike Trout. Mr. Mike Trout. We got 2 packs left here, guys, out of box number 1. 2 packs left. Out of box number 1. Our mini is Mr. Adam Lefkoy. Mr. Adam Lefkoy there. And we got a Peregrine Falcon. All right, guys, last pack here out of box number 1. And our mini is it's an Allen Ginter, Zach Greinke. Nice Allen Ginter, Zach Greinke mini and a Steven Strasburg. Box 1 down, box number 2 coming at you guys. We do have more Allen and Ginter breaks coming up, guys. Don't miss out on those. All cards do always ship as well here at Cardboard Hobby. Got a lot of great breaks coming up. All right, guys, box topper first. Here we go on our box loader. Box number 2, Mr. Mookie Betts. The Dodgers, nice Mookie Betts box loader there. Very nice. We'll get our packs out of box number 2 here. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Pack number 1. Box number 2. Will Levis. And our mini, Mr. Dave Winfield mini. And we got the music to your ears, the Koto. Mr. Ian Rappaport. Blake Snell mini. And music to your ears, the Pippa. Volpe rookie. Nice Volpe rookie there. Carroll rookie. Nice Carroll rookie. There's an Allen Ginter, Sean Murphy for the Braves mini. And Mr. Reed Detmers there as well. Rooshman, nice Rooshman rookie. Nice Adley there. Our mini is a Gio Urshela, Allen and Ginter too. Garrett Cole. Black border mini. Nice Brandon Nemo black border mini there for the Mets. Very nice. And we also got your Gerfalcon there too. Juan rookie. Black border mini. Giancarlo Stanton. Yankees. Bald Eagle. The Bald Eagle. Mr. Hart. Our mini for the Padres. Manny Machado. Eric Gagne there too. Eric Gagne. Mr. De Niro. Our mini is Andre Dawson for the Cubbies and a Mark Burley. And there's a relic. Got two minis here too. Nice Verdugo. Verdugo relic there. Very nice. The Red Sox. Alex Verdugo relic. We've got a Ezequiel Tovar rookie mini. We've also got a Denmark there. The World of Wonder. Kronborg Castle Denmark mini. Fun in the Sun. Paddleboarding also. Nice Verdugo relic there for your Red Sox. Very nice. Harris rookie. And nice Cody Bellinger mini. And a Randy Johnson. Fujinami rookie. Got a small rookie. Scoot Henderson. Morel rookie. Our mini is International Delights. Got the Peking Duck. And music to your ears, the piano. Grissom rookie. Duran rookie. Cabrera rookie. Got our mini, Allen Ginter, John Smoltz, Allen Ginter mini, and a Max Scherzer. And we got a hit in here, I believe. Yes, we do. We've got an auto, old time. There's our mini here behind here, too. Our mini is now in the Ginter Jazz Chisholm there. Very nice. And a Fun in the Sun kiteboarding. Very nice. Old-time Hawkeye there. Old-time hockey. Hawkeye hockey. He's a content creator there. Very nice. Nice auto there. There he got his regular card too. Jones rookie, Meyer rookie, and our mini is a Hunter Brown rookie mini and a Corey Seager there as well. Our mini is Mr. Bo Jackson. Nice Bo Jackson mini there for the Royals. And a Hen Harrier there also. Rodriguez rookie. Another rarest of the Diamond mini. Very nice. 4 home run game. Nice mini there. Clayton Kershaw. Oh, Hop rookie. There's a silver foil. Captain Sandy. Nice Captain Sandy there. Silver. Very nice. Captain Sandy. Our mini is a World of Wonder Cambodia. And Fun in the Sun Fishing. Nito rookie. Reagan's rookie there as well. Our mini is Mr. Benny Wasserman. And we got Steven Strasburg. Thompson rookie. Mitchell rookie. Our minis Dansby Swanson. Allen and Ginter mini there. Music to your ears, the mandolin. There's a relic. Very nice Alec Boehm relic. Very nice hit for the Phillies. Alec Boehm relic there. Our mini is Kyle Tucker, followed by Bo Bichetti there. Alec Boehm relic for your Phillies. All right, guys. We got 4 packs left. 4 packs left. Nice Rooshman rookie. Downs rookie. Mr. Anthony Richardson. Our mini is Torrey Hunter. And we got the Snowy Owl. Jameson rookie. Our mini is the World of Wonder for France. Don Drysdale there as well. 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Peraza rookie. Benson rookie. Our mini is Mr. Spencer Strider. And we got a bodyboarding Fun in the Sun there as well. Last pack, guys. Here we go. We will do a hit recap. And our minis, Mr. Moses, Lopez, Allen, and Ginter, and an Ichiro. All right, guys. Hit recap coming at you right now, guys. We had your Alec Boehm relic. Very nice hit for your Phillies. Nice auto. Old-time hockey there. The content creator and writer. Nice auto there. Nice Verdugo relic there. Alex Verdugo for your Red Sox. Nice Knott relic there. Mr. Andre Knott, the in-game reporter relic. Very nice. Mr. Swanson relic. Dansby Swanson for the Cubbies relic. Very nice hit for your Cubbies. We had Mandy Bell relic there, the reporter. Nice Mandy Bell relic there, the reporter. And we had Max Scherzer, stained glass mini. Nice hit for the Mets, stained glass mini. Max Scherzer there as well. Guys, I want to thank everyone so much for breaking. Really, really do appreciate it, guys. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay, guys. We've got a great break schedule all week long. Don't miss out on those, guys. Once again, we got great breaks filling on our website as well. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions. Thank you so much again for all your support. Please, be smart, be safe out there.